Hello guys, so welcome. In today's video I'm here to talk about the first snapshot that was just concluded for what the SEC.io power tap airdrop. You see, most people do not know that in the early days of Bitcoin was actually mined, and SEC.io set of developers were part of the developers in the early days of Bitcoin that provided what mining opportunities for what Bitcoin before Bitcoin got to where it is today. And you guys are actually joking with this airdrop. You see guys, I've never been more confident on any airdrop whatsoever if not the SEC.io power tap airdrop. Guys, if you are seeing this channel for the very first time, do ensure what you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Let me know the country you're watching from. Drop your country flag in the comment section, and let me know if you have actually upgraded or card. What's your set power for the what SEC.io power tap airdrop? In this video, I'm going to be explaining what this snapshot is, what it entails, because many people feel that this is kind of like an eligibility criteria, and they are kind of like panicking. They don't know what to do. Well, guys, I'm here to tell you guys that SEC.io is not actually like a random airdrop that you guys see. Now, guys, I want you guys to quickly to join my Telegram channel. Here is my Telegram channel. On this my Telegram channel, you can have full direct access to me and be able to ask me whatsoever question whatsoever, and I'll be able to help you validate some airdrop, so you don't go paying for ton and make any form of ton transaction and end up losing your money. Now, on this my Telegram channel, you can see there are different airdrop that were actually participating. You can see this actual airdrop, we're actually mining it here, and virtually all my subscribers are participating in it. This is an airdrop for this social value. This social value, they are just like just like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, and they are launching their own airdrop. That's not actually an airdrop to joke with. There is also T.G.E projects that were actually mining here. There are different projects that were actually participating on my Telegram channel, and this is our expectations, the potential USDT that we're expectant of. I don't just post random airdrop here. So quickly guys, make sure you join my Telegram channel. You can find the link to my Telegram channel in the description box and in my bio. So quickly now, let me explain what the first snapshot is all about. So guys, make sure you calm down and listen to me. Now let's head straight into it. Now this is what they're actually saying. Now for the snapshot, you are going to be seeing this card. You see this very card that you are seeing here, you are going to be seeing it on your specials, and I'm going to be explaining what this card means and what these are hashtag #1, what it actually represents. So quickly, let me just read through what these developers are saying here, guys. Now they said the first snapshot is in, hey power tappers, there is a surprise waiting in your special tab. So to go check for this, it's going to be in your special tab. Now it is not only this special, it is not only this snapshot card. There are different cards there on that special tab cards, and I'll be explaining what all these things represent in this video. So just make sure you stay connected. Now they say what is important. This is a question that has been asked by many people. Now they say a well-rounded strategy is your best bet. Every aspect of the game matters, so keep improving across the board. Now I've actually said this time without number that I've said this thing because you see the set of developers. The funny thing here is that they are kind of trying to have a kind of secrecy, you understand, and they don't want to reveal everything and get straight to the point, because this is not actually a joking project. Well, I'll be explaining what you need to focus on, but what you need to focus on is your SEP actually. But to get your SEP, it's actually what they say, it's a random activity. I'll be heading straight to that once I head towards the SEC.io boots. Now this is what they are saying. They say what is coming next. This isn't just another token drop. Exactly, we are launching a major project that is ready to make its mark in the crypto market. Get ready for some big announcements and stay tuned and follow the news. Now guys, I want you guys to know that SEC.io is not just an airdrop. No. According to what these developers are saying, and according to every search and research that you must have made, they are not just here to just list any kind of random token and just get out from the market. You must understand that these guys are actually a trading exchange, and if you go search your CoinMarketCap, you will see them at the top 100. I'm saying this for those people that are not yet even mining it, because if you have been on this channel, I must have said this repeatedly. Guys, make sure you start mining it. To start mining this airdrop, you are going to find the link in the description box and in the comment section. You are actually quite late, but I want you to participate. And for me, I know it's kind of sounding funny, but I want them to even postpone this listing to be at the first quarter of 2025, so that many people that are not even participating can just join a little bit. That's actually just a prayer for those who are actually just participating in. So quickly now, let me just tell you guys what to focus on. What to focus on is your SEP power. Now this, you are going to see an arrow pointing at this. This is your SEP power. Now this your this place that you are mining on the Telegram, right? Your SEP power is actually displayed on the SecIO trading app exchange itself. You understand? There is an exchange. You understand? SecIO is an exchange. So what you have to connect this your Telegram bot to the exchange, and what you are going to be seeing displayed on that exchange, right? You are going to be seeing this SEP power that the arrow is pointing at. So you are going to know that this is your focus, but it's going to be a random activity, guys. Let me just do a quick break. Now, for those who are not actually mining it, make sure you just navigate to the playlist of this my channel and search for the playlist video that I made for full tutorial guide for SecIO power tap. Watch all the videos so you know the strategies and how to go through this. I won't be saying all that in this video. Now quickly, now I said I want to explain the first snapshot. Now to get straight to that, what you just need to do, if you have been participating in it, you just go to your mine. Your mine is at the second icon counting from your left on your screen down below. So once you just go to your mine, and for those who have actually upgraded all cards, what you need to do to earn more SEP power is engage in the quiz and engage in the daily spin. Now this is what you need to do. Just quickly navigate to specials. Now if you navigate to special, the card that you see for the snapshot, it is not actually an eligibility criteria. No, it is a check for those who are actually participating in the airdrop. It is just a check through. Now this is it. Now let me tap on it. Now if you tap on this, that is what you are going to be seeing. Now for me, you can see I'm currently level 1. That is, I'm at the highest point, which is what you can see on my screen. It's written full upgrade completed. A moment captured, a milestone achieved. This is your mark on power tap history. Keep up your activity, and the reward will follow. Now most people are actually complaining that they do not see like a reward. No, they are not going to give you any form of SEP reward. Everybody that actually got this, your reward is that you are going to be seeing that it is fully upgraded, not you expecting for you to see SEP power or any bonus. No, they didn't give anybody any form of SEP power. This card is a check for you to for them to validate your activity. You understand? If you are actually an effective miner, that's just it. Now if you just go aside, you are going to be seeing there are also other cards. If you check on this OG miner, now it is not just this snapshot card. If you on these specials, they made a list of different cards for us to check, and all these cards are for you to know is for them to for you to see the level you are as a miner. So that is just like a peak for you to know that you are going to at least get some good allocation. Because what you should be worried about for the SecIO power tap airdrop, it is not the price, because most definitely these guys are going to have a good price, and in the forthcoming months after their listing, this the token, or if it end up being a token or a coin, for me I think it's going to be a coin, because hence they are an exchange. I believe it's going to be a coin for it to operate on its own blockchain, and for other coins to be able to list on that blockchain, because with that it's going to have a high value and high use case to make the price to also go up and very high. So quickly, now you can see this OG miner. This actually, it's for me, I'm fully upgraded. So this is what you just need to do. Go to your specials and check on all this card and see if you are not fully upgraded. They are going to be giving you an instruction on that card. Now all those instruction and all those cards, they do not come with any form of SEP power that you are going to get. You are not getting any SEP power from it. It's just a card to validate your activity on it. You understand? This is not actually a main snapshot. A main snapshot is just a validation. You understand? So then the next card, as for me, right, when I check on this Lambo card, there was an instruction for me to I had to pay with some my coins. So when I paid with a coin, with some amount of coin, I think I paid at least 1 million coins of mine that I had, and I was upgraded to get this full Lambo. So just what you just need to do for this is just to go through all the cards that you find on your specials and see if there is any form of if there is any card that you have not fully upgraded on the specials, and do whatsoever they say you should do. Note, those cards are not going to give you any form of SEP. Like I said again, I'm repeating myself, it's just like it's a check and a validation of your activity for the SecIO power tap airdrop, and the main eligibility criteria and check is going to be forthcoming. We still do not know if these guys are going to still launch in this year, because the year is almost coming to a close. We are just less than 9 days and we're out of the year, so I'm expecting them to still list at the Q1 of 2025. If they are going to list, it's not looking possible for them to list in this month of December, but hopefully let's see if there's any news. I'm going to update you guys. Please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe, and you quickly join my Telegram channel so you can participate in different airdrop that we are participating in. Thank you guys one more time for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.